Tennant Company, the leader in environmental cleaning solutions, now brings you superior carpet cleaning and dry time in a compact, easy-to-use carpet cleaner. Introducing the Tennant R3. The compact R3 carpet cleaner with ReadySpace Technology quickly cleans small, congested areas, leaving carpets clean, dry, and ready for foot traffic in less than 30 minutes. Its rapid dry time is ideal for high-image, high-traffic areas and 24/7 operations. With an ultra-low profile and compact design, this easy-to-use, highly productive carpet cleaner reaches into the tightest spaces and cleans in both forward and reverse. A safe choice for regular carpet cleaning, the R3 creates fresher, healthier environments by cleaning with 80% less water, reducing mold and bacteria growth. This quiet 69 decibel machine has been sound pressure tested to OSHA recommended standards and is suitable for quiet cleaning in even the most noise-sensitive environments. And because carpet cleaned with ReadySpace is never saturated with water, the risk of slip and fall accidents in the area between damp carpet and hard floors is greatly reduced. Quick, compact, quiet, safe. The R3 carpet cleaner provides beautifully clean, always ready carpeted spaces. The R3 carpet cleaner's simple one-button control reduces training time, and its ergonomic Insta-Adjust handle adjusts to multiple positions for maximum operator comfort and safety while cleaning virtually any carpeted space. Damp soil transfer rollers grab dirt from the carpet fibers and lift it into the machine. Inside, a sprayer rinses soil from the rollers, not the carpet, while two powerful individual vacuum shoes extract the dirty water into the recovery tank. This ReadySpace technology leaves carpeted areas clean, dry, and ready for use in 30 minutes or less. With accessible 5-gallon hygienic lift-off tanks, a compact design, and ergonomic handles, the R3 carpet cleaner is easy to fill and empty. Create cleaner, fresher, healthier environments in less time with the compact, rapid-drying Tennant R3 carpet cleaner with ReadySpace.